Upscale 1080p to 4000. Hey everyone! Are you looking for the best way to enhance video quality? Want to upscale 1080p to 4000 without loss? We've got the solution! What is 4000? 4000 resolution means 38402.160 pixels 4 times the detail of 1080p. But to truly enhance quality of video, you need more than just resizing. You need smart upscaling. Method 1 AnyMP4 Video Converter Ultimate Quick 4000 Conversion. High-quality upscale 1080p to 4000 requires a professional 1080p to 4000 scaler. The recommended tool is AnyMP4 Video Converter Ultimate. Step 1. Free download AnyMP4 Video Converter Ultimate on your Windows or Mac computer. Step 2. You can run the program and add files by clicking the Add Files or the Add Folders. You can also drag 2 or more files to the program. Step 3. After adding your video file to the program, click the Profile menu icon, then select 4000 video resolution. Step 4. Begin the conversion process by clicking the Convert All button. This is the fastest way to use your 1080p to 4000 converter. Method 2. Use the Video Enhancer tool to truly enhance quality of video. This is key for the best results. Step 1. Still run AnyMP4 Video Converter Ultimate on computer. Click the toolbox at the upper corner of the software's main interface and select the Video Enhancer box. Step 2. Click the ++ symbol at the center of the window to add the file to the program. Step 3. After adding your file, enable some of the following options to enhance the quality of your video. Upscale resolution, reduce video shaking, remove video noise, and optimize brightness and contrast. Step 4. Select a format that suits your Windows or Mac computer, and then click the resolution drop-down button and select the 4000 resolution 4096-2160. Click the Enhance button at the bottom to start the enhancement. Using this professional video enhancer, your footage not only hits 4000 but its details are also restored. This is the optimal 1080p to 4000 scaler solution. Method 3 FreeConvert.com free online tool. If you need a video quality enhancer 1080p online free alternative, FreeConvert.com is a free option, but it mainly focuses on conversion. Step 1. Browse FreeConvert.com on your web browser. Then, click the Choose Files button to import the file to the program. Step 2. Select your desired output format for your video, then click the Settings icon. Step 3. On the Setting window, select Custom for video screen size, and then input 3840 for the width and 2160 for the height of your video. Step 4. Click the Convert to MP4 button to start the conversion process. Online tools mainly convert resolution. If you want to truly enhance video quality online free with actual quality restoration, professional desktop software is the better choice. Alright, those are all the methods for a perfect upscale 1080p to 4000. Go try them out. If you have questions about how to convert 4000 to 1080p, leave a comment below. See you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.